freezing. So, shut this off so you can hear it start up. It's got some piston slap when you start it up. I should go get my computer scanner and hook it up and see what it shows for codes again here. Well, I got it started here. I think it's the gas vent. Scan tool. Keys on. Service engine soon lights on. Shut the fan off. Codes found 1. Monitor okay 6. It reads codes here. Okay, this is the first code. Evaporator emission system leak detected. Small leak while the gas cover is open too. Evaporator emission system leak detected. Small leak. Erase codes, yes. Now it'll go off next time you start it. Okay, press any key to continue. Before you disconnect, you always click exit. Yes. And you disconnect it like that. There it goes off. So they are clear to check engine code. So all it is just a gas thing. So you do not want to hook it up when it's running. So and wreck it. You got to exit it out. That's a nice $20 tool that I spent. The reason why it's probably on is because of this is off here because the vent's plugged. So if you guys go to Walmart at the store, it's called this. I got it for 20 bucks. So that's what it's called. Hook it up first, turn the key on, start it, whatever. If you want to start and see what the codes are too, you can sure do that too. But the check engine light, you know, wouldn't matter anyway. But that's what it found. So it cleared, but it'll come back on again. I cleared it before. It's just telling you that the gas vent needs to be serviced. So it's an update on my truck. She's still running. Transfer case hasn't been fixed, but yeah. Gonna go for a drive now. Boy, that air conditioner works good. Woo! It's 81 out. Yeah, you can count on your Chevy anytime.